Joplin Schools Foundation tonight recognized 5 outstanding Joplin School alumni. KOAM's Carrie Worthen has more on the story.
It's a real honor for me to be here tonight. It's the last thing I ever expected in my life, but here I am, and I'm very blessed. I feel very blessed to be here.
Joplin School Foundation welcomed their inaugural class inductees into the Joplin Schools Hall of Fame. The Foundation's Hall of Fame project was created to recognize and honor the achievements of outstanding alumni from Joplin, Lincoln, Memorial, and Parkwood high schools.
Well, the foundation is a helping arm of the school system. We try to raise funds and for projects that maybe are not included in the current or the usual budgets for the school system.
James Goodnight is an alumni of Joplin and thinks this event will bring more people together.
It brings a lot of people together from a lot of different backgrounds, and it's just a really nice thing that they can do and help us bring good things to the students, especially the younger ones in the school system.
The Joplin School Foundation's goal is to give a scholarship to every senior who is graduating and moving on to a technical school or college.
It'll take us a while to get there, but usually sometimes it's the top 10 kids that get scholarships. We want every kid who has worked hard and is going on for further education to have some help.
The Joplin Foundation, School Foundation, has done a tremendous job, and they continue to do a tremendous job. And if this Hall of Fame has anything to do with helping that happen, I'm all for it.
The foundation hopes this will help future generations to work hard towards their dreams.
Yeah, we want the little kids to say, hey, look what can happen if we keep going and don't give up.
In Joplin, Carrie Worthen, KOAM News.
Nominations will be accepted year-round but will be gathered annually on May 1st for the coming year's induction ceremony, and nominees may be honored posthumously and must have graduated at least 25 years prior to their nomination.